Today we have one of our favorite Wire EDM clamping products. It's a universal Wire EDM. You want to hold round parts, square parts, long parts, skinny parts, and it's very universal for your Wire EDM. There is an arm on it that moves back and forth for different size pieces. So there's a bunch of attachments that come with it. So let's say you have round parts to clamp and it's bigger round parts. We have these two attachments. So you can see with the toe clamps on top with the adjustment feet in the back, and then you have a nest to rest your part on the bottom. So this part would fit right underneath here. You can actually take these clamps off here, mount them up here, and you can hold your long flat part. You can also unmount the pieces on the bottom and mount these pieces. So now you'd have one part here, one part here. Basically, now you can hold a larger diameter round part, and then the pieces would come together. So this side would be stationary. This side would actually move with this finger. So if you had a large round part, pretty easy to remove and replace the pieces. You would take these stainless steel screws like that piece. So it's the same thing on this side, and install this piece on this side. And you have your round part, and this piece slides in. Now you would adjust it to your part size, tighten it up, and now you can hold your round part pretty easily for any length. So that's for your round parts. If you had a longer thin part, you can remove these, put these pieces on. The difference between this and this is for a little bit thinner part. So these are a great way. Again, this is universal for any type of long parts you have, or whatever your part size is, and away you go. The third option would be these pieces were for larger round parts, which would go on each side of the vise and would slide accordingly. If you had smaller round parts, you have an option for that too. So you would have this piece there. It's in your Wire EDM. Now you take this out. This corner would be a datum, and same thing with here. This is for larger round parts. This is for smaller round parts. So really, it's pretty universal. You can go from large to medium to small round parts, all with the same setup, with taking seconds to switch over from A to B to C. Awesome little tool. Hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, I'd love to answer them in the future videos. Thanks.